Hey guys, so I've washed my hair, so now I'm gonna prep my hair and blow dry it before slicking it back. So I'm gonna roughly part my hair into quarters so that it's easy for me to moisturize and tend to every corner and parts of my hair. Oh, this is not bad. I'm joking. So my scalp and roots are wet still, but my ends are completely dry because I have high porosity hair, so water easily dries off my hair. So I'm gonna re-moisturize my hair with water. Before all that moisture is evaporated from my scalp, I'll seal in the moisture on my scalp by adding grapeseed and avocado oil. And I'm also going to put this oil balm on my scalp. I'll spray water again because seriously my hair keeps getting dry. I'll do heat protecting. I'm going to put some leave-in conditioner on, just a little bit. I'm going to put this cream. It's a Grow Strong strengthening cream, and essentially it helps to protect my hair from heat. So I'm just going to use that on my hair. And then I'm going to seal everything together with oil. I'm going to twist it like so and do the rest. All done. I've got my fan running because it's very hot, so please don't mind the noise it's making. Anyways, I'm done prepping my hair for blow drying, so now it's time to do the actual thing, blow drying. I'm going to remove the twists, push it out. I put it onto medium and then I hover it on my hair like this, just to stretch it out before I then directly put it on my hair so that I don't break the hair. It just minimizes breakage, you know. That's one part of my hair done, and now I need to do the rest. I'll see you guys later. It won't be for long. I finished blow drying my hair, so now I'm just going to remove all the twists and show you guys how my hair looks stretched. So guys, this is my hair stretched. I hope you enjoyed this video. My first ever time doing my slick back. This isn't the video for now. I'll leave it here for now. I'm gonna come back. Keep an eye for the next video, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.